How to use Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Instagram remains one of the most popular social media, offering a dynamic way to share posts, photos, and connect with people. In order to use Instagram, first and foremost, download the app from Play Store or App Store. After that, you can sign in using your email, phone number, or link to your Facebook account. You can create a username and then complete your profile by adding profile photo, bio, and link to your website or other social media accounts. Once that is done, let's navigate to Instagram. Instagram interface is intuitive with several key components. First is the home page, which provides you the posts from people you follow. Next up, you have a search like icon, which is said to be explore page. From this, you can discover contents and accounts based on your interest. Likewise, we have another which is a plus icon, which is to create a new post. If you tap on it, it will open the camera or galleries from which you can create a new post. You can also post story, reels, and live video from this plus icon. Now, moving on to next, we have Reels section. Reels provide you with short engaging videos up to 90 seconds, which is similar to that of TikTok. Likewise, at the end, we have Profile. You can manage your own post, settings, bio, and much more. If you click on the message like icon on the top right corner, it will open the direct messages from where you can chat privately with friends. After this, you can also use the latest feature of Instagram such as collaboration posts, notes on the story, enhanced shopping, and broadcast channels. Make sure to use hashtags, engage with others, and be consistent in order to grow your Instagram account. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.